Hello there, this is Deborah, and today I'm going to be testing 3 soaps that I made. Let's try this again. This is the second take here. This is a carrot soap with real carrot puree. It also has some chamomile in it as well, and a lot of other wonderful skin loving properties. Now I've tried this video. This is take 2 here. So let's see how take 2 goes. I'm going to go ahead and let you see how this one works. As you can see, it has a lot of wonderful bubbles there. I would say these are medium-sized bubbles, and it feels amazing. Now, I've already been using this soap because I've had it for a little bit there. I've had it made for a little bit, and it feels wonderful in the skin. It's really nice and creamy. It has a lot of bubbles. It feels really good on your skin. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. Anyway, that's what that looks like. It feels nice and creamy. And it has nice bubbles, nice sized bubbles there. Okay. Let's see, we have some oatmeal milk and honey. Like I said, this is take 2 because the first one just wasn't going good. Also, I hope you overlooked the sound. I am in the bathroom, so I've got sort of an echo sound here. Okay, this is the oatmeal milk and honey there. As you can see, it's really lathering up really wonderful. This is nice and creamy. I've used this one also, and my grandkids love this one. This is really good for their skin. They have a little bit of eczema there. I'm not claiming any healing properties over my soap here, but this soap really smooths the skin and keeps the skin nice and calm. They really enjoy using this soap on their skin. This is a really nice one here. It's nice and creamy also. Nice sized bubbles. So you're going to have a lot of nice and creamy bubbles there, and also a really wonderful feeling on the skin there. Now the last one is kind of a funny soap. This was supposed to be a lavender soap, but it was a failure that day. So I ended up using some little devices there to get this little cloud design, and I added some colors to get like the feel of lavender there. But I ended up calling this soap Beautiful because I used a fragrance oil called Beautiful. I do have a lot of blue there, so I do notice that it is coming off a little bit. But this one is not for sale. We're going to just keep this one at home here. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and use that one. The kids love the blue, the watercolor blue. They goes, Grandma, it's really blue. Like, it wasn't supposed to have that much blue in it. Got a little carried away there. But anyway, they love the way the water turns out. Anytime your soap has so much color in it like that it's not white, that's because you use too much color. But it's okay. I mean, it's not bad. It works good for the kids. They really love it. In the water, they said it looks like real water, make the water look really blue. But anyway, this, like I said, this has a nice bubbles, and it smells awesome. That Beautiful smells really good. I will put in the description area where the fragrance oil and essential oils came from that I used for these soaps, and some of the ingredients. So I'm not going to make this a long video because the sound in the bathroom have that echo sound. But this is a really nice blue creamy soap with nice bubbles. Almost like make bubble bath there. Okay, so there you have it. These are the 3 soaps that I made recently. I will be making more soap, and hopefully I can come back with more bubbles to show you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you next time around. Bye bye now.